Congratulations on the purchase of a professional-grade Rainbird rotor. This rotor can replace any major brand rotor. This video shows you how to adjust the distance. The throw distance is a function of your water pressure, the setting on the rotor, and the flow of the installed nozzle. With the water on or off, you can adjust the distance of the throw. Using a flat-bladed screwdriver, turn the radius reduction screw, here at the point of the large arrow identifying where the water comes out, to decrease the spray distance up to 25%. Make sure you don't back out the reduction screw so far that it doesn't sit in front of the nozzle while watering. This will allow water pressure to push the rotor nozzle out into the watering area, and it can be difficult to find. Though the spray distance can range from 19 to 32 feet, on a 42 SA rotor or a 5004 rotor, the reduction screw can only reduce the distance by 25%. Any other increase or reduction in distance must be accomplished by either changing rotor nozzles or by adjusting the water pressure.